Good morning, everyone. This is the Nissan Lafesta. It has alloy wheels. It has fog lights. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? It is beautiful, bro. It has a spare key. Oh, let me show you. It has a spare key. Okay. One is working and the other is not. So you have to put the cell inside this, but the other one is working. Okay. This is the spare key. This is how it looks from inside. This is the inside pictures. Can you look? Clean car, bro. That's what I'm saying. It's like, this is the best car you have ever seen. The alloy wheels are making it look more beautiful. So yeah, you can see the grills, bro. This is how beautiful the car is. Okay. These are the indicator lights, you can see. So one door is an automatic door. I'll just show you. It's a slide door. Not this one. This one is manual. No. This is the auto one. You can see. So it opens automatically. Let me just do this. This is the manual. It's just manual. You have to open it and close it yourself. This is the behind. You can see how neat and clean it is.